My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and this is our first video in the series of predicting the output of the code snippets given in C language. So let's get started. So our first question is this. So I would suggest everyone to just pause their video and just try to solve it on yourself. Then we will see how to solve it. Okay, just try it once. I hope you all have must tried and many of you must have got some answer. So let us see how to solve this question. Okay, so as we can see here, we have one header file that is include stdio.h, and then a macro is defined. This hash define x 5 plus 2 is nothing but a macro. Okay, and what does that mean? Means a macro is used to define a kind of constant, right? So here x is nothing but a constant and its value is 5 plus 2. Okay, so I know what many of you must have done is they have just calculated like 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7, which is right, and then you just substituted the value of x here, means 7. So I equals to 7 into 7 into 7, which is nothing but 343, right? And you must have got the answer as 343. But I must say that you are absolutely wrong, because macros are not meant to be evaluated. So let us see one golden statement which you need to remember always, that is, macros will not evaluate, it will just replace. So what you were doing is 5 plus 2 7, means you were evaluating the expression given over here, right? And then you were just putting that value in place of x, but that is not how macros work. Macros are meant to be replaced. Okay, they are never meant to be evaluated. So you just need to replace this 5 plus 2 wherever x is present in your code. Okay, so exactly the whole expression needs to be substituted there. You are not meant, you are not need to calculate the value. Okay, you just need to substitute in place of x. So how that is done, let us see. So here 5 plus 2 is not evaluated, as I said, it is just substituted in place of x in our code. So I equals to x into x into x. So 5 plus 2 must be substituted or replaced. So 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 2. Now as we know by the basics of C language that multiplication operator has higher precedence than addition operator, right? So you need to calculate the multiplication operators first. So 2 into 5, and this 2 into 5 is nothing but 10 and 10. Then 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 2 is nothing but 27, which is the correct answer. Okay, so 27 is the correct answer. So you just need to remember the golden statement, that is, macros are never meant to be evaluated, it is just meant to be replaced. So if you remember this golden statement, then I can assure you that whenever you get a question based on macros, you can easily do it. Okay, and this is the most important question, because macros are asked in various interviews, and if you just know this golden statement, then you can crack any question based on macros. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.